Did you know the average unexpected car repair now costs drivers between $500 and $700, but major powertrain failures can easily exceed $5,000 to $10,000. In many of those cases, the vehicle gave warning sounds weeks before complete failure. The problem is most drivers ignore the noise until the damage becomes catastrophic. A tiny squeak can become a destroyed braking system, and one small ticking sound can literally destroy your entire engine from the inside out. In this video, we are covering the most dangerous car noises you should never ignore, what causes them, and how mechanics fix them. And stick until the end because some of these sounds can destroy your car in less than a few hundred miles. Let's dive in. Number 7. Engine knocking or pinging noise. One of the most dangerous sounds any driver can hear is a knocking or pinging noise coming from the engine, especially during acceleration. Many people describe it as a metallic tapping or hammering sound. At first, it may only happen under heavy throttle or uphill driving, but over time it becomes louder and more frequent. This sound is usually caused by abnormal combustion inside the cylinders. Instead of fuel burning smoothly, mechanics often call this detonation or pre-ignition, and it can destroy pistons, connecting rods, and crankshaft bearings. In many cases, the cause is low-octane fuel, carbon buildup, incorrect ignition timing, or overheating. But if the knocking becomes deep and rhythmic, it could mean rod bearing failure, which is one of the worst engine problems possible. Once rod bearings wear out, metal shavings start to circulate through the engine oil and rapidly destroy the engine from the inside. If your engine starts knocking, never continue aggressive driving. Reduce engine load immediately, check the oil level, and get the car inspected before the entire engine becomes scrap metal. Number 6. Grinding noise when braking. A grinding sound while braking is one of the clearest signs your brake system is in serious danger. Most brake pads are designed with wear indicators that squeal before the pads completely wear out, but many drivers ignore the warning until metal starts grinding against metal. According to brake safety studies, worn brakes can increase emergency stopping distances by more than 20%, which dramatically increase crash risk. Once the brake pads wear down completely, this creates massive heat that can damage calipers, wheel bearings, and even ABS components. A simple brake pad replacement that might have cost $150 can suddenly become a $1,200 brake overhaul. Therefore, if you notice grinding sound, never continue driving because every mile causes more damage. To fix grinding brakes, immediately inspect brake pad thickness and rotor condition. If caught early, replacing the brake pads alone may solve the issue. However, if the rotors are deeply scored or warped, you may need resurfacing or complete replacement. In severe cases where metal debris spreads through the braking system, wheel bearings or ABS sensors may also need to be replaced. Number 5. Loud hissing from under the hood. A hissing sound coming from the engine bay is often ignored because people assume it's just air. But in many cases, it's actually a dangerous coolant leak or vacuum leak that can destroy your engine if left untreated. Modern cooling systems operate under extremely high pressure and temperatures exceeding 220 degrees Fahrenheit. If a radiator hose cracks or a coolant seal fails, according to engine repair statistics, overheating is one of the leading causes of catastrophic engine failure worldwide. Excessive heat can warp cylinder heads, blow head gaskets, crack engine blocks, and destroy transmission fluid. A head gasket repair alone can cost between $1,500 and $4,000. Vacuum leaks can also create hissing noises and cause rough idling, poor fuel economy. To fix this problem, first pressure test the cooling system to locate leaks in hoses, radiators, water pumps, or heater cores. If the hoses are damaged, you need to replace them immediately because old rubber becomes brittle from heat cycles. If the radiator cap fails to hold pressure properly, replacing the cap may solve the issue cheaply. If overheating has already occurred, your engine may require compression tests or head gasket inspections to check for internal damage. Drivers should also monitor coolant levels and temperature gauges closely after repairs. Ignoring a simple coolant leak today can easily become a blown engine tomorrow. Number 4. Clunking noise over bumps. If your car makes clunking or banging noises over potholes or speed bumps, your suspension system could already be failing. Many drivers ignore this sound for months because the car still feels drivable, but suspension damage spreads quickly. Common causes include worn ball joints, bad sway bar links, failing control arm bushings, or damaged struts. These components keep the wheels stable and aligned with the road. Ball joint failure is especially dangerous. If a ball joint completely breaks while driving, the wheel can collapse inward, causing total loss of control. To fix suspension noises, lift your vehicle and inspect all steering and suspension components for looseness or wear. Worn sway bar links and bushings are often inexpensive to replace if caught early. Damaged struts or shocks may require full replacement because leaking hydraulic fluid reduces their ability to absorb impacts properly. Also check wheel alignment because bad suspension geometry rapidly destroys tires. If ball joints are loose, they must be replaced immediately to prevent wheel collapse. After replacing worn parts, perform a professional wheel alignment to restore safe handling and extend tire life. Number 3. Whining noise from the transmission. A whining sound while accelerating or shifting gears is one of the most expensive noises a vehicle can make. Transmission problems are notorious for becoming catastrophic extremely quickly. Automatic transmissions rely on hydraulic pressure, clutch packs, and precision gears operating within extremely tight tolerances. If transmission fluid becomes dirty or low, internal components begin wearing rapidly. The first warning sign is often a whining, humming, or buzzing noise. Some drivers ignore the sound because the car still shifts normally at first. But inside the transmission, friction material may already be breaking apart. Tiny metal particles contaminate the fluid. One major reason transmissions fail is neglected fluid changes. Many manufacturers claim lifetime fluid, but transmission specialists strongly disagree. Some mechanics recommend changing transmission fluid every 40,000 to 60,000 miles to reduce wear. If your transmission suddenly starts whining, especially combined with delayed shifts or slipping, get it diagnosed immediately before total failure occurs. Number 2. Clicking noise during turns. If you hear rapid clicking noises while turning, especially during sharp turns or parking maneuvers, it means your CV axle joints may be failing. CV joints transfer engine power to the wheels while allowing suspension movement and steering angles. They are protected by rubber boots filled with grease. Once the boot cracks, grease leaks out and dirt enters the joint, which causes rapid wear. The clicking sound usually starts quietly and becomes louder over time. Many drivers continue driving until the joint eventually fails completely. Therefore, as you hear the clicking noise, first inspect your CV boots for tears, grease leaks, or contamination. If caught early, replacing the damaged boot and repacking the joint with fresh grease may save the axle completely. However, if clicking has already become loud, the entire CV axle usually needs replacement because internal wear is too severe. After repairs, proper wheel alignment helps reduce stress on the new axle. You should also avoid hard turns and aggressive acceleration until repairs are completed because additional strain can cause total axle failure. Number 1. High-pitched squealing noise from engine bay. A loud squealing sound when starting the car or turning on the AC often points to a worn serpentine belt or failing pulley system. Many drivers ignore this because the car still runs, but this single belt powers critical systems including the alternator, water pump. According to roadside assistance reports, broken belts are one of the most common causes of sudden breakdowns. Heat, age, and oil contamination cause belts to crack and lose grip over time. If the belt suddenly snaps while driving, the engine may overheat within minutes because coolant circulation stops immediately. Replacing a worn belt early may cost under $100, but ignoring it can lead to overheating damage, dead batteries, towing charges, and major engine repairs. The bottom line is this: your car almost always warns you before a major failure happens. But most drivers ignore the sounds, turn the radio up louder, and keep driving until a minor issue turns into a financial nightmare. The difference between a cheap repair and a catastrophic breakdown is often just a few weeks of ignoring the warning signs. So if your car is making any of these noises, don't wait until you're stranded on the side of the road with a repair bill worth more than the car itself. And now tell me in the comments, what's the worst car noise you have ever ignored? And how much did it cost you? I will see you in the next video.